Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters, welcome to our daily dua. Today's dua is covering asking Allah for Jannah. Now, the dua for Jannah, there are so many, and you can ask Allah in so many different ways. You can see some in the Quran and the sunnah of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The one I want to share with you today is very simple. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-firdaus. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-firdaus. Oh Allah, I ask you for al-firdaus. Now why is it that I'm sharing with you this particular dua? Because our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave us a beautiful advice. He said, if one of you wants to ask Allah Jannah, then ask for al-firdaus. Ask for the Jannatul Firdaus. Why? Because it is the middle of Jannah and the highest place in Jannah. It is the highest place you can reach in Jannah. And this is what you should be aiming for. So whenever you're asking Allah for Jannah, ask for Al-Firdaus like the Prophet ﷺ taught us to do so. And again, it is the Muslim's way to aim for the highest and ask for that which is the best. And remember, the one you're asking is the most generous, the most merciful. So next time you're making dua for Jannah, ensure you don't just ask Allah to enter into Jannah, but you ask Allah for Al-Firdaus Al-A'la, the highest place in Jannah, Jannatul Firdaus. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-firdaus. Oh Allah, I ask you al-firdaus. Keep making this dua and ask Allah to gather all of us in al-firdaus al-a'la. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.